Hi, this is Shraddha Kapoor and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
On huge popular demand, we have with us Shraddha Kapoor. Her fans have been requesting for the longest time for a fan questions based interview with her, and here is Shraddha. She has graciously given some time. Pleasure having you back on Bollywood Hungama.
So good to talk to you as always. I'm so happy to know this that you've got so many requests and lots and lots of love to everyone out there, all the fan clubs, everybody who has requested for this interview with Faridun.
In fact, a lot of your fans they have been asking for an interview with you and Varun for the longest point of time.
Yes, I heard
they
that.
They trended that on Twitter,
Yes.
and they call themselves as Varshra.
Varshra, yes.
So which is
It feels so nice to know that, and we would also love to come, and now we will come and chat with all of you in January when we will be promoting Street Dancer.
all right. So quickly, let's just dig into a few of the questions that we have for Shraddha. There are too many of them, so we've taken randomly, and I've not selected them. My team has selected them. So, okay, the first one is Anurag Sinha from Patna. Are you planning to work with Ranbir Kapoor in future? Do you think he's the best in Bollywood right now?
Oh, I don't know. I've never been offered anything with him. I think he's a great actor,
Ji.
and I would love to work with him if I'm given an opportunity to.
Hello Shraddha, I'm Nafisa from Bangladesh. I'm a big fan of yours. I've watched your every movies. That too many times. You are so beautiful, kind and humble. I love your acting, cute nature and action scenes. And please say something for your crazy fans. This is Nafisa from Bangladesh.
Nafisa, that is really, really, really sweet. Actually, I never have enough words to convey the kind of feeling that I get when, I get such kind and such loving words from all of you out there that it actually makes me speechless. But thank you so much, and so much love to you and everybody out there.
All right, this is Kanaya from UP. My question to Shraddha is, whose action is superb between Tiger and Prabhas? I know it's difficult to say, but please give your opinion.
I think it is. It's difficult to say also, but Tiger has been doing martial arts since he was a kid.
Right.
So he has been doing it for many years. So that's why he is at that level. So it's also a little, I would say, an unfair comparison because Tiger has been doing it since very long. So.
Okay, and the sort of response which has been there for Saho is simply stupendous. As I was telling you, the interview with Prabhas has been doing some phenomenal numbers on Bollywood Hungama, more than 10 million views now, and it is trending on YouTube India. Everything to do with the movies, there is so much excitement. There are videos coming in from Hyderabad of people seeing it in the theatres.
Prabhas Mania. All this is Prabhas Mania because people are so crazy about him. I went for the audio launch and I've never seen anything like that. I was amazed. There were more than 1 lakh people there who had come to see him. And the craze that his fans have for him is, I've never seen anything like that before. So it's amazing. He's very, very loved, yeah.
And the interesting part is that you're having a substantial role in the film.
Right.
Which is always, I'm sure as an actor, must be happening because you will be having a sizable screen space.
Exactly,
as well.
absolutely. It feels good. And it feels great to be a part of a multilingual thriller, action thriller. First time I'm speaking in Telugu, it's my Telugu debut. So it feels very exciting.
Pramoda from Tirupati. How many days it actually takes for you to get out of the character you portray in your films? Does the character you're playing in real life influence you in real life? That's a good question.
That's a very good question. Pramoda, right?
Ji. Tirupati.
Okay. It depends also a lot from film to film because certain characters you relate to more, certain characters you feel like this is going to be a lot more challenging to me because I can't really understand the character and I have to really dig deep to understand it, do a different kind of preparation to understand this character. And certain characters and certain scenes in particular films also, like I used to also get, and I still do get pretty affected when we have really intense emotional scenes. It's a little difficult to just completely switch on and off, because you dig into a place where the character is really, really vulnerable. So to really switch out of that immediately is a little difficult sometimes.
This is Solomon Vaps from Nigeria. Ask her if you would love to work with superstar Akshay Kumar.
Of course. I would love to. I would love to work with all of them, all the superstars out there, and it would only be a great opportunity for me.
This is Saket Patel from Kuwait. All the best for Saho, and I really loved Stree. When was the first time you met Shah Rukh Khan, and how did it feel?
Thank you. The first time I met Shah Rukh sir was when? I can't remember where, but I have to tell you it was one of the most warm interactions ever. What everyone says about him being really charming and really kind and very nice to interact with, all of that is true. Whenever he meets me, even if it's somewhere at a gathering or something, he's always very, very warm to talk to.
All right, this is Zehra from Lahore. You said in various interviews that Prabhas fed you food, but what you gave him as a gift or a goodwill gesture?
Zehra, yes, he really took great care of me and my team, and he was in Bombay, so me and my team reciprocated. We called for some food from out for him and his team. So I think day before yesterday, it was day before yesterday.
All right, this is Pratyusha from Vishakhapatnam. You are playing different characters in your film Saho and Street Dancer. Which was more physically demanding? And it's also love you, Pratyusha is saying that love you.
Yes, I know. Of course, Pratyusha, I
Do you
know.
know?
I think even Nafisa, I know, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, Street Dancer was a lot more, I would say, physically demanding. And I'm actually still recovering from my neck and shoulder injury from
You've
Street
mentioned that.
Dancer.
Yes, you've mentioned that.
Yeah.
At the promo launch of Saho, I think you mentioned that.
Yeah. So it was challenging.
This is Bishal Ghosh from Guwahati. Hey Shraddha, your smile is just killer. I wanna ask you what motivates you most, and are you thinking to do women-centric films like Razi and Chapak? Best wishes for Saho.
Thank you so much. I would love to. I did one, which was Hasina Parker, but it didn't do very well at the box office. And if an interesting script comes my way, then I would absolutely love to.
This is Pramoda from Tirupati. Once again, dream director you wanna work with in Telugu.
Okay, dream director in Telugu. I'm not very well versed, but I would say Rajamouli sir. I mean, he did the pan-Indian Bahubali.
Ji.
I would love to work with him.
Okay, this is Keshi from Mauritius. When are you doing another unplugged version of your songs? Missing it, and so if possible, please do sing a few lines of Any Sony. He is sending lots of love. So if there's a request for Any Sony, you can sing it.
I don't know when another unplugged will happen. I think that right now I'm focusing on the films that I'm doing and the work that needs to go into the characters. Any Sony, a few lines.
Yeah, that's the request.
Okay. I hope it comes out okay. Let me try. आँखों में तुझको मैं अपनी बसा लूँगी, तू चाहे या चाहे ना तुझको अपना बना लूँगी. आँखों में तुझको मैं अपनी बसा लूँगी, तू चाहे या चाहे ना तुझको अपना बना लूँगी. इन्ना सोना क्यों लगे तू मैनू, मैं तेरी हो गई, हो जा मेरा तू.
Fantastic. And the acoustics in Mehboob Studio are helping.
But it became very low by the end of it, the lower part of it.
Ji. Shania from Lucknow. How was the experience of working with Nitesh Tiwari sir, Sushant and Varun Sharma? PS, love you, your character, and look in Chichore has us very excited.
Shania also, I know. All of these are, we've actually been asked questions by these guys who's been asking you in the past as well. What was the experience working with Nitesh sir?
Nitesh and Sushant as well as Varun Sharma.
Oh, it was amazing. Working with Nitesh sir was actually like a very different and new experience for me. The kind of director that he is, he's a very unique kind of a director.
Right.
The kind of prep that goes into making the film and the kind of the way that he makes the actors feel, and the fact that for him his script is the main thing.
Yeah, he's a writer, he's a very good writer.
Absolutely, and the way that he's written it with his co-writers, it's unbelievable. So when we all heard the story also, we were just amazed. Everyone's been so excited to be a part of the film, and he makes, I think every department, not just us as actors, but the sound department, the costume department, all the technical departments as well, everyone just felt like it's really a unique experience to work with Nitesh. So it's very it's a once in a lifetime kind of experience, and it's very difficult to explain in words, but it makes you feel like I want to work with this director again and
Yeah.
again and again. Sushant also, right?
Ji,
I think.
Sushant and Varun.
Yeah, Sushant and Varun. Both of them are such amazing actors, and all the other actors also. I think that I was surrounded by such amazing actors, and to be able to act with them, share screen space with them was really amazing.
Yeah.
And I think the best part about this film is that everyone's parts are so well defined. So everyone is truly going to stand out in their own way.
This is Siddhant Kharel from Kathmandu, Nepal. The first action film you did was with Tiger Shroff in Baghi, and now Saho, even bigger. How difficult was it for you to perform action scene along with action superstar Prabhas, and how did you prepare yourself for it?
Without actually giving away how much action or how little action, and actually a lot of people are asking me about the action part of it as well, but I have to say that we worked with an international team of action directors. So we had action directors coming in from America, from China, from the South industry as well. So very rarely, and it's such a rare opportunity to work with people all over the world on an Indian film. And all these factors have made it the biggest action thriller of India, which I am a small part of. I am a part of it. It's amazing. I got to learn so much, got to learn the way that they prepare you for an action sequence. It's different from the way that it's prepared, that we get prepared with an Indian crew also, which is also so interesting to know, because you learn from two different industries.
When you're saying that you're a small part of it, so you're being humble, and I think I think one of the hallmarks of Shraddha Kapoor is her humility and her simplicity. So I think you're going to be in a different league altogether after both these films. So
I have to say that, the thing is that as actors, you become the face of a film. And somewhere, like, a lot of people give you that credit because you're the face of the film, but people don't know how much goes into a film. People don't know that to make us look cool doing action sequences. That's why I said that I'm just a part of it, because there's so much that goes into it. You have your action team, you have an ensemble cast, you have the costume department, the hair makeup department, you have the spot dadas, you have the lighting department. So we are just the face of it, so a lot has gone into it.
this is Shakira from Nandyal, Andhra Pradesh. What do you want to say about the name Barish Girl, who's obviously you?
I think कि by default, by coincidence, इतनी सारी फिल्मों में वो बारिश के sequences हो गए. So it was fun. I saw one funny meme also, which I reposted on my Instagram, of someone put my face on one of the cricketers' face holding a batsman, and it's raining. The only player who's going to play in the rain, and it was my face there. I thought it was very funny.
Avinash from Bangalore. One quality of Prabhas sir which the audience don't know.
I think the audience knows his best quality. That is that he's a really nice person, and he's the audience's darling. And all his die-hard fans love him because he's such a... They get his energy as a person.
Alright, Shraddha, lovely talking to you, and
Same here.
I'm sure that your fans will be happy with what they've received today, and
Even I am. Thank you.
we are really looking forward to their interview for Street Dancer with Varun and you, because that's
Thank
something that has
you.
been trending for the longest point of time. That's one question that I'm asked maybe most often on Twitter and Instagram as well now, so which is wonderful. Thank you so much.
Nice
All the
to
best
know
wishes.
that. Thank
you
you.
very much. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Hi, this is Shraddha Kapoor and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.